Bijli Mahadev Temple, the mystical shrine where lightning strikes every 12 years. Have you ever heard of a temple struck by lightning every 12 years on purpose? In the heart of Kullu Valley, at an altitude of 2,460 meters in the quaint village of Kashmiri, lies the Bijli Mahadev Temple, a unique shrine that has captured the curiosity of thousands. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, this temple doesn't just draw devotees but also those fascinated by its incredible natural phenomenon. A powerful lightning strike that shatters the Shiva Lingam inside, only to be restored in a ritual that leaves visitors in awe. What's behind this otherworldly event? Why has this temple remained a sacred guardian for the valley for centuries? Standing high on a hilltop with sweeping views of the Kullu and Parvati valleys, the Bijli Mahadev Temple is one of India's most ancient Shiva temples. Its captivating mysteries, historical legends, and breathtaking Himalayan surroundings make it a destination unlike any other, both spiritual journey and a mesmerizing encounter with the inexplicable. A unique phenomenon, the lightning mystery. The temple is renowned for an extraordinary event that occurs approximately every 12 years. Shiva Lingam inside the temple is struck by lightning. This mysterious strike shatters the lingam into fragments, a divine event that locals believe is a blessing from Lord Indra, who strikes the temple under the orders of Lord Shiva. In preparation, the temple priest carefully collects these pieces and reassembles them using a paste of cereal, pulse flour, and unsalted butter. Remarkably, over time, the Shiva Lingam restores itself to its original form, symbolizing rebirth and resilience. This unique occurrence has led to the lingam being affectionately called Makan Mahadev or Bijli Mahadev Shivalik by locals, who view the lightning as a divine intervention protecting the region from evil forces. Legends and local bodies. The origins of the Bijli Mahadev temple trace back to stories from the Puranas. According to legend, the Pandavas built the temple during their exile. The valley also holds a captivating tale about a demon named Kulan, who, in the form of a giant snake, attempted to flood the valley by blocking the Bees River. Lord Shiva intervened, vanquishing the demon in a fierce battle, after which Kulan's massive form turned into the mountain ranges that now surround the valley, which later came to be known as Kullu. Many believe the lightning phenomenon at the temple is a divine act from Lord Shiva, who safeguards the region from harm, drawing power through a sacred 60-foot staff that stands like a silver needle against the sky. Architectural design of Bijli Mahadev Temple. Kasol in Dharamkot. How? Bijli Mahadev Temple structure reflects traditional Kullu Valley architecture. The pent-roof structure, topped with slate shingles, is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including heavy rainfall and snow. This architectural style, specific to Himachali temples, features a covered veranda serving as a production path around the shrine, allowing devotees to perform a ritual. Gunda Mahayagya, a secret circumambulation of the lingam, constructed with layers of wood and stone. The walls showcase a tradition of Himachal Pradesh, distinctive technique in which wooden beams are laid perpendicular to the wall, with stone filling the intervening spaces, creating natural insulation and durability against the elements. Shiva Project, strengthening Himachal Pradesh's economy. The growing need for amenities and environmental conservation. With the construction of a roadway to Bijli Mahadev underway, the number of visitors is set to increase. This anticipated influx brings attention to the need for improved infrastructure and amenities, especially waste management facilities, as the region currently lacks sufficient provision for solid, wet, plastic, or hazardous waste disposal. To maintain the temple's sanctity and preserve the natural beauty of the area, it is vital that the company managing the roadway and local authorities implement eco-friendly waste disposal measures. Social organizations have been proactive in cleaning the temple surroundings, but further sustainable practices are essential for the area's preservation. Preserving livelihoods, age-old traditions, a sacred site of spiritual and cultural significance. For the people of Kullu, Bijli Mahadev Temple holds a revered place among Lord Shiva's 72 Gunda Mahayagya, a sacred tradition of Jyotirlingas. Thousands of pilgrims flock to the temple each year, seeking blessings and solace in its Himachal Pradesh, sacred ambience, the temple's awe-inspiring location, traditional architecture, and rich mythology make it a sought-after spiritual retreat in the Kullu Valley. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the breathtaking beauty of the Himalayan landscape, experience the unique cultural heritage of embracing the future, introducing Himachal Pradesh, and witness firsthand the fascinating phenomenon that defines Bijli Mahadev. Visiting the Bijli Mahadev temple is more than just a journey through mountains. It's an opportunity to explore India's ancient spiritual roots while admiring the enduring beauty of the Himalayas. For those drawn to mysteries and miracles, Bijli Mahadev stands as a testament to faith, resilience, and harmony between humanity and the forces of nature.